Today's class I am going to discuss about BCD subtraction. So previous video we discussed BCD addition with example. If you need it, kindly refer the video. Now we move on the session. So we have two methods to solve the BCD subtraction. So first method, 9's complement, and second method, 10's complement. So in this video I concentrate 9's complement. So using the 9's complement, how to subtract the BCD number. So these are the steps for 9's complement. So first step, obtain 9's complement of number B. So let me consider two number A and B. So first step, take 9's complement of B number. So 9's complement of B. Then second step, add A and 9's complement of B. So after taking 9's complement, that value is add with A. So A plus 9's complement of B. So it's a second step. Then third step, if carry is generated, add it to the sum to obtain the final result. So after adding these two number, so sum is produced. Now carry value equal to 1. So carry is generated. So this carry is add with the sum. So this carry add with the sum. So it's a final result. So it's a third step. And final step, if carry is not produced, then the result is negative number. If carry value equal to 0, the result is negative number. The result is negative number. Hence, take 9's complement of the result, you will get the proper answer. So these are the steps. Is very important to solve the problem. So now I am going to solve this example problem with the help of this step. So first problem, sub 4 base 10 minus 7 base 10 using 9's complement. So 4 minus 7, the result is minus 3. So first step, obtain 9's complement of number B. So here number B is 7. So first you take the 9's complement. So 9 minus 7, the result is 2. So 9 minus 7, the result is 2. Then second step, add A and 9's complement of B. So A value is 4. So 4 equivalent BCD number and 2 equivalent BCD number. Then you just add these two number 0, 1, 1, 0. So carry equal to 0. Then third step, if carry is generated, add it to the sum to obtain the final result. So in this problem, carry value is 0. You just ignore third step. Then come to fourth step. If carry not produced, then the result is negative number. Hence take 9's complement of the result. So carry value equal to 0. So it's a negative number. So it's a negative number. You just take 9's complement of this result. So 9's complement in the sense 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 0. Just you subtract these two number. So 1 minus 0 1, 0 minus 1, there is no possibility. You get the borrow from nearest bit. So this value 1. So this value 10. So 10 minus 1 1. So here 1 minus 1 0. Then 0. So it's a result. Then come to the second problem. 83 base 10 minus 21 base 10 using 9's complement. So 83, 21. So 3 minus 1, 2. 8 minus 2, 6. So 62 is the answer. So first step, obtain 9's complement of number B. So here number B is 21. So 99 minus 21. So 8, 7. So 78 is the 9's complement number for 21. Then A value is 83. So 83 equivalent BCD number. Then 78 equivalent BCD number 0 1 1 1 0 0 0. Just add this two number 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 1 1 1 0. Sorry 1. All the 4 bits 1. So then after addition, you just check this number is a valid BCD number or invalid BCD number. So this two 4-bit value is invalid BCD number because it's a greater than 9. So you just add 6 to convert valid BCD number. So 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1, sum 0, carry 1, sum 0, carry 1. So sum 0, carry 1, triple 1, 1, triple 1, 1, then sum 0, carry 1. So now both the 4-bit values are below 9, so less than 9, so it's a valid BCD number. Then come to the third step. If carry is generated, add it to the sum to obtain the final answer. So in this addition, carry value equal to 1, so this carry is added with the sum. So 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry value 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. So the result is 62. So if you are familiar with these steps, you can solve the problems related to BCD subtraction using 9's complement. If you are watching first time in my video, kindly subscribe and support us to make a lot of videos. Thanks for watching my channel. Thank you.